Hey guys, I was introducing the Hamilton Beach Stain Go Blender, the number one American brand in small kitchen appliances, shaping innovations for over a century. With 650 watts peak power and precision, engineered stainless steel blades, it's your go-to for everything from smoothies to grinding coffee, beans, and nuts. In Indian kitchen, precision matters. The pulp function delivers that perfect consistency for chutneys, smoothies, sauces, and batters. Sleek and lightweight and engineered in both USA and India, it's designed to easily fit and complement any kitchen. Effortlessly grow from blending to sipping your creation, whether it's gym, office, or an adventure. Take your creations with you. Safety and quality are paramount. FDA approved, BPA free, treated jars imported from the USA, guarantee no leaks or dents. Cleanup is also a breeze. Durable, shatterproof, and dishwasher safe jars maintain their glass like clarity wash after wash. Experience the Hamilton Beach difference, effortlessly to use, easy to clean, and always delivering exceptional results. What's in the box? A 1 liter multi blend jar, a 500 ml travel jar with zipper lid, a 250 ml grinding jar with shaker lid, the main motor, and a user manual. Elevate your blending experience with Hamilton Beach, where innovation meets your kitchen. Get yours today.